Okay, I fit a new steering sensor whole assembly and test it around 5 minutes, and the code is coming back. So next thing I want to do is fit a EVS motor first and see how it goes. So this means that I don't have a problem with my steering sensor. So yes, need to do another test. Okay, so I replaced the sensor for this one, steering sensor there, but it's still the same. The error is coming out. So what happened, I can't use this another whole motor steering motor assembly because they have a different power, because this one is around 17 ampere, but this one is 8.5 only. So the difference in this one is the coil, the power on the steering motor, so no need to swap it. But yeah, this still the problem is coming out. What I'm going to do now is this one. So this is the only thing that I never changed for yet, because that one is expensive. So I just make sure that all these sensors should be alright. And since I already cleaned for the motor is not stuck up or something else like that. But anyway, yeah, I need to test out this module. So to test out the one, I need to open this compartment here and then replace it. So before I'm gonna replacing it, I need to confirm the details as well on this one, and if the details are the same, and then I can fit in there and have a test, have another test, right? Okay, I installed another EPS controller. This one is the old one, then I installed the new one, and let's see how it goes. And now the moment of truth, so we'll test it. Turn on. Good. Oh, automatic TR. Oh, shit, still doing it. Okay, so I already fit the new EPS, and it says here mismatch. That's the alarm code on it. Canvas KO 08 VCAP too low. So I don't know what's happened, but it looks like the program on that EPS is not the same. Alright, so I returned the EPS controller in here, and I think that's not the cause of it. The EPS controller got failure. What I have done is I just try to swap this three relay here, because I don't know if there is a related relay for the EPS on this three. So I just swap it because they are the same 12 volts, but I don't know. And yet when I try, the fault is gone. Okay, the fault is never came back again. Hopefully this is the good news for what I have done on this machine. But yes, I try a lot of things. Like maybe around 30 minutes I try already operate the machine, and now there's no fault code. So every part I test, I remove, because there's nothing wrong on the I think there's nothing wrong on the machine. and the parts. I think this is only a issue of electrical, maybe lost contact or something like that. But now, yeah, that's good. So no error, unlike before. And this one, if I touch this one, and it will not continue now. See, that's good. Nothing. Right, I guess we rectified the problem without knowing. Oh. Okay, so maybe it's just a lost connection on the sockets like that. And for the relay, I don't know if there is a related, but I just swap it, the 3 relay there, and swap the connection on it, and then test, and here we go. No error. Don't know what happened.